This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the dime from the case or opening the case lid. That first action wakes the earbuds and their Bluetooth. Make sure any nearby phone or laptop Bluetooth is turned off so the dime won't auto-reconnect to the wrong device. Once awake, press and hold the button on the earbud or case for about 1.5 to 2 seconds to enter the next stage. This initial hold prepares the unit for the pairing sequence. You now push further. Press and hold the same button for about 5 to 8 seconds until the LED begins flashing or alternating colors. This visual signal means the dime is actively advertising itself. Listen for the verbal prompt or rapid beeps because that confirms pairing mode. While it flashes, immediately open your phone's Bluetooth list and refresh scanning, then tap Skullcandy Dime when it appears. This timing avoids accidental connections and ensures the earbuds negotiate. Once you select the dime on your device, wait for a solid LED or the connected status in your Bluetooth menu. That confirms completion. If it fails, try a reset by holding the button for 10 seconds or placing the earbuds back in the case and repeating the long press sequence. If things still go wrong, reboot your phone and delete previous Skullcandy entries from paired devices. This clears conflicting bonds and makes the dime visible again, which usually resolves stubborn pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.